come as powerful as required. Make me an instrument of blessing. Use me today and to help bless each and every mothers on Mother Earth. Let it go to all mothers, no matter where they are. Bless them with love, light, compassion, and kindness. Let it go in peace and harmony. Let it go. God, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Go, go, go. All mothers are beings of divine fire. All mothers are beautiful, no matter where they are. No matter how small they are. All mothers and mothers. Each and every mother on Mother, the beings of divine Father, each and every Mother Nature, mothers of Mother, the purity goddess. A divine fire go to each and every mother, no matter where they are, deep on the ocean, on the skies, on the land, on the river, on the lake, up the trees, land under the Mother Earth. Let a blessing be with them always. To all the mothers who are going through a difficult time on period pain and also premature labor pain, let divine energy go to each and every mother there to release the pain they're going through. God, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am a being of divine fire. I am the purity God resides. Every mother out there, beings of divine fire. Every mother out there, the purity God. Mother Earth, the soul of divine fire. Mother Earth, so Mother, your Mother, Mother Earth, your Mother for each and every living and non-living. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, my friends, let's do this now. Fantastic. Let's go now. Healing cancer patients.